In this lesson, you will learn how to round to the tens or hundreds place before finding the sum or difference of addition and subtraction expressions. The purpose of rounding is to provide an estimate when an exact answer is not needed, or when working to compute numbers quickly. In previous lessons, we learned how to round 2- and 3-digit numbers to the tens and hundreds place. We did so by identifying benchmark numbers and selecting the one nearest the given number. For an in-depth review of the process of rounding, please see the lessons 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. Let's look at the situation. John's mother purchased 4 gifts for John. They cost $8, $29, $14, and $35. If she paid with a $100 bill, about how much change can she expect to get back? In this situation, an exact answer is not needed. The word about signals an estimated answer or a rounded answer. First, we'll round the cost of each gift. To do so, I will create an open number line for the cost of each gift. Let's start with the gift that costs $8. I'll create an open number line, and we'll round $8 to the nearest 10. The first thing we'll do is round the cost of each gift. We'll round them each to the nearest 10 place value. Let's look at the gift that cost $8. To round it, I will create an open number line. We see that 8 lies closer to the benchmark number of 10 than it does to the benchmark number of 0. So we will round the $8 gift to about $10. For the $29 gift, we'll create an additional open number line. Notice that the benchmark numbers for 29 are 20 and 30. 29 lies closer to 30 than it does to 20. Therefore, the $29 gift costs about $30. Rounding the $14 gift, we see that the benchmark numbers are 10 and 20. 14 lies closer to 10, so we will round that gift to about $10. Okay. Our final gift costs $35. We can see on our number line that 35 lies exactly between the benchmark numbers of 30 and 40. Therefore, we will round 35 up to 40. So the rounded costs of each gift are $10, $30, $10, and $40, for a total of about $90. Let's look back at the situation to see if we've arrived at our answer. If John's mother paid with a $100 bill, about how much change can she expect to get back? We need to subtract our estimated total cost from the $100 that she pays to see how much change she will receive. We see that she receives $10. Let's look at another addition problem to review these steps. 162 plus 248, rounded in this case to the hundreds place. But we'll continue to use them throughout the remainder of this lesson. Using an open number line, we can see that 162 has a benchmark number of either 100 or 200. 162 lies closer to 200, therefore it will round to 200. On a new number line, we see that 248 will either round to 200 or 300. As it lies slightly closer to 200, we will round 248 to 200. Adding our two rounded numbers together, 200 plus 200, we will receive a sum of about 400. Therefore, 162 plus 248 is about 400. When subtracting, we follow the same process. The only difference is the operation we use. Let's look at 92 minus 16 and round to the tens place. 92 has benchmark numbers of 90 and 100, and as 92 lies closer to 90, we will round it to 90. 16 has benchmark numbers of 10 and 20, and we see that 16 is closer to 20, therefore we will round to 20. Again, you may not need benchmark numbers at this point when you are rounding. Now we can find the difference of our two rounded numbers. 90 minus 20 is 70. Therefore, 92 minus 16 is about 70. Remember, we use rounding with addition and subtraction when an exact answer is not needed or when computing numbers quickly. For this reason, we round each value of the given expression before calculating the sum or difference. In this lesson, you learned how to round addition and subtraction expressions to solve for an estimated sum or difference.